Ever wonder why you physically cannot stop watching these? Like, you opened the app for a quick 2-minute break, and now it's 2 a.m. We call it viral content, but it is not like random biological virus. It's a finely tuned psychological trap. Today, we are breaking down the exact behavioral secrets behind why certain hijack your brain, and how creators engineer them to be completely irresistible. Every single day, hundreds of hours of video are uploaded to the internet every minute. Yet, 99% of them get buried in digital silence. Most people think going viral is just pure luck, a lottery ticket, a glitch in the algorithm. But it's not. The algorithm doesn't care about luck. It cares about human biology. The platforms have figured out exactly what makes our brains tick, and the most successful creators use that formula to spark a chain reaction. It's not magic. It's a precise science of human behavior. Let's explore 3 psychological triggers that makes this happen. Trigger number 1, high arousal emotions. Content doesn't go viral if it just makes you feel okay. It needs to make you feel extreme joy, deep shock, or righteous anger. If a video triggers a physical reaction, like gasping or laughing out loud, your brain instantly demands that you share it to pass that feeling along. Trigger number 2, social proof and FOMO. When you see a video with millions of views and everyone in the comments talking about it, your brain registers it as a cultural event. You watch it simply because you don't want to be left out of the conversation. Trigger number 3, cognitive ease. The human brain is inherently lazy. Viral videos are incredibly easy to digest. They use bright visuals, simple language, and zero fluff. You don't have to work to understand it, so your brain happily consumes it. But here is the real secret sauce. A video doesn't go viral by just hitting one of these notes. True virality happens when these triggers collide all at the exact same time. Think about it. You see a video that is incredibly easy to watch. It instantly shocks you, and your friends are already texting it to you. That is the perfect storm. It bypasses your logic entirely and activates your brain's dopamine reward system. You aren't just watching a video anymore. You are experiencing an engineered psychological loop. So, the next time you find yourself stuck in an endless scroll, remember, it isn't random. You aren't lazy. You are just responding exactly how your brain evolved to respond to highly engaging human behavior. What is one viral video you absolutely could not stop watching? Tell me what it was and why you think it hooked you in the comments below. And if you want to understand more about the hidden psychology behind everyday media, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next one.